What web browsers can I use on my Hisense Smart TV?
Hello, viewers. In today's discussion, we'll be addressing an often asked question. What web browsers can I use on my Hisense Smart TV? Hisense Smart TVs operate using a platform known as VIDAA, which offers a selection of pre-installed applications, including a web browser.
What is the default web browser on Hisense Smart TVs?
The default web browser provided on most Hisense Smart TVs is Opera. This browser is built into the VIDAA operating system that runs on Hisense TVs, and it allows you to access websites just like you would on a computer or a smartphone.
Can I install other web browsers?
As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Hisense Smart TVs do not provide the ability to install third-party web browsers. This is because the VIDAA platform, while user-friendly, isn't as open as platforms like Android TV. So, unlike devices running Android or similar platforms, you're generally limited to using the default Opera browser on Hisense Smart TVs.
Are there any workarounds to use different web browsers?
While there isn't a direct way to install other web browsers on Hisense Smart TVs, there are a couple of indirect approaches. One option is to use a device like a game console or a streaming stick, Roku, Fire TV Stick, etc., that allows you to install browsers like Firefox or Chrome. You would connect this device to your TV, and then use the browser on the device. Another option, if your TV and phone both support it, is to use screen mirroring or casting. This lets you open a web browser on your phone and then mirror your phone's screen to the TV, essentially using your phone's browser on the big screen. So there we have it. While your options for web browsers on a Hisense Smart TV are somewhat limited, you're not entirely without alternatives. Whether you stick with the built-in Opera browser or explore indirect solutions like using a separate device or screen mirroring, you can enjoy web content on your Hisense Smart TV. We hope this video has been helpful and informative. Enjoy browsing.